Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinky, and today I'm going to be changing the battery on my SLK230. Thanks for joining me. So last week I was replacing the starter on my SLK. I had to disconnect the battery to do so, and when I disconnected the battery, I noticed that the battery is quite old. So it's not dead yet, but my wife and I are planning on taking a trip with this car in the next couple of months here, and so I just want to go through and make sure that everything is up to date. So today I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery. So with the hood up under the right side, the battery is there, and as you can see, well, maybe you can't see it, but that battery is 11 years old. Typically these last about 5 years, maybe 6 years. So again, it's an old battery. I don't want to risk it. I haven't had it die on me yet, but I don't want it to happen. So starting with the ground, it's actually a 13 millimeter. So I'll go ahead and get that loosened off of here. So I'll go ahead and remove the ground. Now we'll go over here to the positive. That one is just, it's a different angle. That is a 10 millimeter. So get that loose. And we can pull that off of there. And now there is this hold down strap. We do need to get this out of here so we can lift that hold down up and then get the battery out. And that is also 10 millimeter. That was nice and easy to remove. So again, this hold down just lifts right up. And get that out of the way here. Now we can lift out the old battery. I'll drop in the new battery. I went with an AGM. Supposedly they're better. I'll put this hold down back in here. I just get a few cranks so it'll hold this down. Take this plastic cap off of here and attach this. Again, the positive is a 10 millimeter. We'll put that on. I'll put the ground on. Go ahead and tighten that up. And there we go. That is a brand new battery. So go ahead and start it up. All right, so go ahead and start it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinky, and I'll see you next time.